World Ovarian Cancer Day was launched in 2013 by a group of leaders from ovarian cancer advocacy officialdoms around the globe. May 8th is the day we raise our voices in harmony in the battle against ovarian cancer worldwide. Altogether, ovarian cancer is the seventh most common female cancer in the world and is more common in established nations. More than 300,000 women hear the words "you have ovarian cancer" each year. Ovarian cancer begins in the cells of the ovary. It can also metastasize to other parts of the body. Cancerous ovarian tumors are sorted by the kind of cells that the cancer starts in. There are few realities everybody should understand concerning ovarian cancer. A Pap test or cervical smear test does not detect ovarian cancer. Ovarian cancer is often diagnosed at a late stage. Diagnosis of ovarian cancer beforehand it spreads makes it much more curable. Awareness of indications might lead to speedier diagnosis. Common symptoms include persistent bloating, difficulty eating, feeling full quickly, pelvic or abdominal pain, and urinary symptoms. Sporadically, there can be other symptoms. The risk of ovarian cancer increases with age. This cancer usually occurs in women in their 50s and 60s, with a median age being 63. However, younger women can get it too. The risk may increase if one has the family history of ovarian, breast, colorectal, or endometrial cancer. Around 20 to 25% of women diagnosed with ovarian cancer have a genetic tendency to acquire the disease. Of those instances, 10 to 15% are allied to a hereditary genetic mutation in one of two genes, which are called BRCA1 and BRCA2. The risk may increase if one has not delivered children or have taken hormone replacement. Ovarian cancer is a comprehensive concern, and much more needs to be done to confront this illness on all facades.